The weather pattern is really on the turn as we go through the second half of the Easter weekend. First of all, through Easter Sunday, we see gale force winds across many of the mountains, and then a proper blast of winter coming down from the north as we head onwards into Monday. Here's Sunday's chart. First of all, there's the cold front lying to the north, which is bringing that change, arriving in the north of Scotland through the course of the day. Ahead of that, though, it's a very turbulent day across the mountains, severe gale force, even storm force winds across the Scottish mountains much of the day, and those gales will strengthen across the hills of northern England, severe gale force later on in the day, and the strengthening of wind will get into Wales as well, but comparatively lighter winds much of the day here. Generally dry from southern Scotland southwards, but some rain coming down from the north across the Highlands will turn increasingly to snow, and that snow in showers will fall to the lowest slopes by the end of the day in the north. Let's run the sequence then, and this chart will show you the precipitation type. The green is rain, the blue that you'll see in a moment will be the snow, and it's a drizzly damp day turning more persistently wet across the west and northwest Highlands. Less of that rainfall reaching areas around the central belt and the eastern side of the Highlands. Late on in the day, that patchy rain will though extend further southwards, reaching the southern uplands, and a little bit of rain turning up across the northernmost hills in England by the end of play on Sunday. And as we go into the evening, that will turn to snow on the high tops. You can see the snow starting to develop then across the Highlands, mostly in the form of showers, but something a bit more organised maybe around at times. And that whole front, as we go overnight into Monday, will advance ever further southwards, with the scope for some snow falling to the lowest slopes, so don't be surprised to see at least a dusting first thing on Monday morning. Unlikely to be much more than that because the total precipitation volume from this front is quite small, so don't go expecting a complete whiteout on the ground, but there is likely to be a dusting across the hills, and we can expect some further showers then to be around through the course of Monday daytime. Those focused on the windward coasts in northern Scotland, but showers will advance inland and develop increasingly through the day as well, so as we go onwards, particularly into Monday afternoon and early evening, showers pretty widespread, many of them brief, not amounting to a huge amount in total, but still sudden hail and snow falling to the lowest slopes, and the odd one could just be heavy enough locally for a rumble of thunder. Either way, it's a bitterly cold day across the hills on Monday, a severe wind chill factor in evidence widely across the hills from lower levels upwards. Very cold air indeed then, spreading from the north. And we do a very similar story into Tuesday. We need just to watch what happens around the Irish Sea, because there could be a little band of showers that runs into Snowdonia to locally give some frequent snow here through the day on Tuesday. Elsewhere, again, it's northern Scotland that takes the lion's share of the hail and snow showers, but a few will break out once again down the spine of the country and cross northern England through Tuesday afternoon. Again, it's a bitterly cold day across the mountains, and the wind stays very brisk. Stay up to date then with all your local forecasts on our website. That's been your MWIS Fleeting View. Thanks for watching.